Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn English with DS. If you are watching our video for the first time, we are Divya and Selvi together doing this. Today we are going to see 5 main tips to improve your English speaking skills. Before that, we shall see why we need to improve our language. English is the most commonly used language in the corporate world. The ability to express your thoughts fluently in English is an essential factor in your career growth. Exploring your language skill will always help you. If you are fluent in English, it will give you some extra benefits or some added benefits. So, it is important to learn and improve our level in English speaking. If you are a person who wants to improve your English, I assure you that this video will be useful for you. So without talking further, let's move into our video. The fifth tip we would like to share you is speak, speak and speak. Talk in English as often as you can. Speaking the target language often will definitely help you to speak fluently. If you find any partner, you can converse with them. Or else you can speak to yourself. Use a mirror as a partner and start your conversation. You can say your thoughts out loud and you can narrate your action. For example, I am drinking coffee and next I am going to read newspaper and so on. By talking to yourself, you can become more fluent in translating your thoughts into spoken words. Practicing alone will really be a low pressure job since no one will make fun of your mistakes. So, we recommend you to speak a lot. The next important tip we are going to recommend you is to listen to English songs or movies with or without subtitles. At first, don't watch or listen to high level English videos. We recommend you to watch simple English videos, then move to native speakers video or movie with subtitles, and at last watch without subtitles. This tip not only helps to improve your speaking skill but also it improves your understanding ability. Try these tips, you will definitely notice some changes in your language. The third tip we would want to share you is learn more English idioms, phrases and vocabularies. Most of us struck while talking because of lack of English words. So, to be a fluent speaker, we need to know many words. While learning a new word or phrase or an idiom, we should learn the meaning of that word and how to use it in a sentence. Learning to use common idioms and phrases will make your English to sound more native. So, it is a good idea to learn some commonly used expressions. Idioms don't always make sense literally. You should be familiar with the meaning. It's not a tough job to learn it. Actually, learning idioms is a fun factor, especially when you compare English idioms to your native language idioms. So, learn more expressions in English. The second important tip is to reflect the learned words in your conversations. Actually, I have seen many people who often learn new vocabularies, idioms, phrases, and etc., but they won't use it in their conversations. So, I think this was the biggest mistake made by them. The purpose of learning new words is to use them in our daily life. So, while learning a new word, practice the usage of the word in different situations. Reflecting new words in your conversation will increase your confidence and it will show the beauty of the language. So don't stop only by learning new words. Reflect those words in your conversation. The first and foremost tip to speak a language is we have to think in that language which we wish to aspire. When we speak in our mother tongue, our brain automatically thinks and let us to speak fluently. The same we have to do when we try to speak in a foreign language. Whenever you get a chance to think in English, then you can easily find new words and can frame sentences in English. Once you start to practice to think in English, it becomes a habit gradually. Then it's really easy to speak out the thoughts. It's not possible when you are already in conversation with somebody. Avoid the influence of mother tongue, concentrate and then speak. Once I was doing this for some time, then one day I realized that my mind started to think in English without my knowledge. So for me, it became a habit. So I strongly recommend you to start the practice of thinking in that language which we like to speak. So, use these 5 tips and improve your fluency in English. If you follow these 5 tips, we assure you that you can feel the difference in few weeks and even you can notice it. Okay, that's it with today's video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Meet you soon in another useful video. Until then, stay safe, stay connected. Bye.